Hello friends, today we're building a brand new LEGO Transformer truck, but not the one you've already seen before. This time, we're taking it to the next level with a completely unique twist. We're starting from the ground up by designing a strong, detailed chassis using LEGO blocks, because every epic Transformer begins with a solid foundation. As the build comes together, you'll see how small pieces turn into a powerful truck that's not just about looks, but also about smart engineering and smooth transformation. This is going to be a long, satisfying build with cool details, clever techniques, and a final result that truly feels like a next-gen LEGO Transformer. So stay with me till the end, because this truck is going to surprise you. I've placed a few blocks already, and now it's time to level things up by adding smaller pieces and shaping this section into a proper engine. The goal is to make it look like a real LEGO Transformer truck, so there's still a lot of exciting work ahead. We're going to install working-style lights, a detailed front mirror, a solid rear bumper, and realistic brake lights. On top of that, many more upgrades and hidden details are coming that will slowly transform this build into something truly special. And trust me, every step from here is going to be fun to watch.